The sun bouncing off that snow is bright, bright. Oh God. Oh my God. My feet are snow.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's kind of chilly out here, buddy. Oh God. Not in my shoe. Oh. Oh no. It's cold out here, ain't it? Yeah, I know. What? Like a prince. And got the whole. Oh, it's melting off the side over here, though. This is a lot of snow. Yeah, definitely enough snow to play a snowball fight or build a snowman. You and Mama should definitely be able to have enough snow to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sure looks so long as a lot of snow. Let's make some.
You make some. I ain't got no wheels to go for that. Hey, man. Ah! Nope, stop. All right, come on. Y'all get your dog before you get murked. Get murked up in that mud. Okay, you ready?
He's coming to my house.
It look like he about to come tackle you. What it look like? Somebody playing music. All right, let's go back inside. If Mama want to come freeze and make a snowball, she can.
But it sure looks cold.
Yes, it's definitely cold. So we decided we're gonna try to make a snowman, but the ice is so fluffy.
What's my snow cone place?
Um, Bahama Bucks.
Bahama Bucks. This is like Bahama Bucks ice.
So you
Very soft.
so you need to just put it in a cup and put some syrup on it,
Pretty much, yeah.
cause it's real soft. It's nice and.
I ain't ever felt no snow this soft.
Now this is probably some great snow to play like a snowball fight.
Not even that. It's
Cause the
not
ice ain't gonna get hard, so it'll
Look.
evaporate. Exactly. Do it again, Sky.
It will make a snowball.
Try again. Let me see.
You got me down.
I did get you.
Will you help me make a snowball?
Here.
Here, that one's for you. Grab it.
Really? Here.
Grab it. Are you cold? Okay. Now throw it at mommy.
Okay, look. Go like this, guys. Say no! Okay, look. Look at me. Look, turn this way.
What's that?
Turn this way. Say no!
Oh gosh, she got it all on her face.
Yeah.
Look,
Look, let's get on this.
Go.
wipe the snow off my cheek. Okay.
I know, really make snow angels.
Yeah, you can't make no snow.
Yeah, this is way too fluffy. Look, it's just flying at you again. Alright, I'm cold as hell. Skylar, come on, it's cold as hell out here.
Wait, George.
What?
Just catch us, bring it.
Alright.
Come back inside.
Alright, come on, go.
Come on, now let's run in the snow.
Run with mommy, go. Are you marked? Get set, go. Run with mommy across the yard. Come back, Skylar. Run this way. All right, come on. Let's go inside. Huh? Don't worry, Skylar. It's gonna rain again. I mean, snow again. The last little bit of snow before it melt all the way. I wonder what made this corner stay so snowy compared to the rest of everything else. Pretty much melted. But this corner here looks pretty healthy. Like someone covered it up and saved the ice or something.
Whoa, look at these tracks. Let's follow it.
No, don't step right there. It's a gutter.
The gutter.
Last thing we need you to step right there and slide in the gutter, and then it'd be a whole mess. Be a whole mess, girl. Well, you got your footprints all in there. Yep, all the way around. It's cold.
Watch
It's
this.
cold. I'm gonna do it one more time, Skylar. Ah, my God! It's freezing. Well, I hope you enjoy it, Skylar. I'm pretty sure this is the last bit of snow we're gonna get in 2021. I think this is it. I think if it snows again, it might be in December, and probably not. But yeah. The hell is this? That looks disgusting. What is it? I don't know. Don't have me lying. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for the snow. No, here she go again. Barely can run straight. I low-key wish you would just fall in the snow and just get a good fall in.